Okay, in 5, 6, 7, go. 8, yeah, that's right. Come on. Uy, here we go. Eto na. Now lower and lower and put your hands up. Put your hands up. Very good. Good job on the side, please. Dito muna tayo sa side. Moving forward to the next 3 girls. Okay, the 3 girls. Come here. Okay, yan. Ay, oh. Hi. Mukhang palaban. Eto na. Let's go. Handa na ba? Eto na. Come on. Let's go. In 5, 6, 7, go. 8. Yeah, that's right. Nasaan ang mga kaibigan at kamag-anak? Uy. Uy. Now, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Very good. Good job. Last but certainly not the least. Let's go, brothers. Come on. Let's go, brothers. Oh. Eto mukhang palaban to. Nasaan ang mga kaibigan at kamag-anak? In 5, 6, 7, go. 8. Yeah, that's right. Come on. Uy. Now, lower, lower, and lower. And put your hands up. Put your hands up. Palakpakan naman natin silang lahat. Now, halina kayong lahat dito. Come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Bago natin i-declare na 2 beses kayong kakain sa ating buffet, you have to give me the title of the song. Please make this right. Say it all together. The title of the music is... That's correct! Good job! Maraming salamat. You may now go back to your seats and get their table number. They will be eating twice on our buffet. Wow. That was fun. That was really, really fun. Maraming salamat po. Now we know, alam na natin kung sinong una, pangalawa, pangatlo, and so on nakakain sa ating buffet. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Bago ko makalimutan, ninongs and ninangs, VIPs, actually kahit hindi kayo sumagot, ipinapangako ko. Kayo ang una kong pakakainin mamaya, alright? As a matter of fact, food will be automatically served on your table. I promise you that. Now, nakikita ko na si Marvin at saka si Kat kanina sumisilip na dun sa taas. Mukhang gustong-gusto nang bumaba at makigulo sa atin. Pero bago ko sila tawagin, may I request all the groomsmen, bridesmaid, best man, maid of honor, kasama ang mga ninong at ninang, mommies and daddies of the newlyweds to please proceed outside for your re-entrance. Once again, lahat po ng groomsmen, bridesmaid, best man, maid of honor, ninongs and ninangs, mommies and daddies of the newlyweds, please proceed outside for your re-entrance. And I promise you, I'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you so much and good evening, everybody.